All right, I just got this in the mail. Check it out. This is like a spigot. Oh, wow, it comes with a lot of different of these things. We'll get them all out, put them over here, and I'll show them to you. Okay, so anyway, this is everything that comes in the box that's taken out of its packages. You get 2 of these units. You get 4 of these. You get 2 of these. You get 4 of those. 2 of those, 2 of those, and 2 of those. So, and 2 of those little tools. So basically that's it. And now you just got to hook it up to a sink. All right, so when you get this in the box, it's in this position. But what you're going to have to do is connect this to your sink, and then this right here, it squirts out of. So you can make it do it, whatever direction you want, right? You could hook it like that, and then the water would squirt down. If you want it to squirt up, you go like this. It'll squirt up. So you could like wash your face with it, I guess. And this you got to, put on your sink. You'd probably use a washer in here, like that. Just like that. And then you have to just screw this on. And bam, Bob's your uncle. We're going to try it and see if we can do it on one sink. Oh, this right here is plumber's tape, I do believe. Yeah. So you get 2 things of plumber's tape. So you'll need that. Okay, to set this up, you got a couple of these tools. First of all, you're going to need a washer in there, yeah, like that. And then, depending on the sink, you may have to take one of these, which is a little adapter, whoops, and screw it in like this. And then what you would do is you'd put this into the sink, and then you got to screw this in the sink. And so we got to try that somewhere and see if it works. All right, let's give it a shot. All right, I found a sink that'll fit on, and I don't have to put an adapter into it. I just got to get it on here. So here we go. See how she does. That's a lot of turns. All right, let's see what happens. There you go. It's working. Here you go. Okay, so it's kind of like how it works. I'm just going to take it off. Yeah, that's it. All right, if you like this video, subscribe to my channel. Check out my other awesome videos. Peace out.